Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate dividend income tracking with Sharesight, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate dividend income tracking with Sharesight, begin by logging into your Sharesight account. Once logged in, navigate to the Portfolio tab located on the main dashboard. Select the portfolio for which you want to track dividend income. Next, click on the Edit button associated with the portfolio. In the portfolio settings, look for the dividend tracking option. Toggle the dividend tracking feature to the on position. After activating the feature, you will need to add your dividend paying stocks if they aren't already in your portfolio. To add a stock, click on the Add Holdings button. Search for the stock by entering its name or ticker symbol in the search bar. Select the correct stock from the search results and click Add. Repeat this process. Next, input the details of any recent dividends received. Go to the Dividends tab within the portfolio view. Click on the Add Dividend button. Enter the required details such as the amount received, date, and any relevant notes. Make sure to specify whether the dividend is franked or unfranked if applicable. Once you've completed the entries, click Save to record the dividend. To review your dividend income, go back to the Portfolio Overview. Scroll down to find the Dividend Income section. Here, you will see a summary of your dividends for the selected period. You can adjust the reporting period by using the date filters available. Finally, familiarize yourself with reports for a breakdown of your dividend income over time. By following these steps, you will successfully activate and track dividend income in Sharesight. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.